Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. Well, I finally got my new f14 forgestar rim to replace the one that UPS damaged, and that's to match this other one that originally came in a pair. And I'm checking the offset or the backspace, whatever you want to call it. It's called by different terms. I'm just checking to make sure they're the same, because what this company does is it machines down this surface from, say, yay to yay to give custom offsets. All right, so this is a custom offset for the front of that car with an 11-inch rim, and I want to just make sure that they made this one the same as that one, because that one I've already had on the car with the tire, obviously. So what I did is I put a couple of machinist rulers together, you can see, and they are dead level, and I put it across the rim, the inside of the rim there. Maybe I should have gone to the outside. Anyway, let's try it this way. And I am now going to measure in centimeters from there to there. And this is going to be hard for me to do this, but let me try. I already did it once and I got 80 and 1/2. And I'm trying to duplicate that, and focus is going to be a thing. And the angle is going to be a thing. So, but I'm going to tell you what it is. It's 80 and 1/2 centimeters. Okay? You don't go by what's on your screen, because there's too many angles and focus things going on. Now I'm going to move that over to here and check it. And the reason I have to do this, obviously, because one has a tire on it and one doesn't have a tire on it. All right, give me a second. Well, I'm not going to go through all that contortion again, but I'm going to tell you I got 80. Yeah, I got 80, dead 80 centimeters on this, and I got 80 and 1/2. So, not 80, yeah, 80 millimeters, excuse me, 80 millimeters here, and I got 80 and 1/2 millimeters there. So I'm going to call that good. 1/2 a millimeter, I am going to say, okay, these are the same. All right, so now I got to take this one and the tire. I already have the tire. Bring it to my tire shop and have them mount it. Okay, give me a thumbs up or like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe, have fun. I do have some other videos on these rims when I first got the rims, and there's another story about the rear rims, but you can look in my on my channel and look in the playlist on Corvette Z06, and you'll find them all. I'm going to add one thing to this video, and this is a piece of the powder coating or paint. I think it's powder coating right there that would probably prevent the valve stem from sealing, and they really shouldn't do that. You can see the finish around this valve stem hole is a little rough, and that's okay, but it's got a chunk there. I might be able to get it off with my finger, or I might be able to take a little screwdriver and knock it off, but really, guys, that shouldn't happen on a custom rim. Okay? Bye. I knocked it off with a screwdriver, and I sanded a little bit with some 400 sandpaper, so that'll seal okay now. I mean, just imagine some poor schmuck goes, buys these fancy rims, gets them installed, and then he's got a slow leak forever, and nobody can figure out where the slow leak comes from. That's all, just saying. One more thing, the weight, 23.7 pounds. There you go. That's an 18 by 11 f14 forgestar. All right, 23.8. It's swinging a little bit.